To change baby sun notifications sun in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then the settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancements. Select sound notifications. And then tap settings. Tap sound notification are paused if you turn off sound notification, and if turn on, tap show notification are active. And then you must turn on live transcript and sound notification first. If off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then select baby sounds. And then select sound. Tap sound you want to use, for example. Or you can also silent sound. This is a default notification sound. And then the back button to save. Now baby sound set as clavinet. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.